What it do, YouTube? It's your boy JH on there, and I'm back with another video, guys. So, update on the car. It was the starter. That's all it was. So we got that fixed. But now I gotta get a windshield for this car. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's a crack right along that right there. So, and we gotta get this car inspected. So, um, everything gotta work, and the windshield can't have a crack in the driver sight. So everything else worked. Got everything fixed. The only thing that wasn't working was that third brake light. Got that fixed. Now everything works. So turn signals, everything worked. Lights, headlight works. So now we're just waiting on the window man to come replace this windshield for me. So once that get done, this car gotta get inspected. And then once that get done, we can go ahead and get this thing plated, and he can start driving it. So, but we definitely got the starter fixed, guys. So let me open this up. So yeah, as you guys can see, we running. You probably can see the crack better from this side. So it's right there, right in the way. So we got to get that taken care of. So yeah, so once he get here, the window man get here, I'll turn this thing back on. If you guys ain't never seen the windshield getting taken out, I guess this will be the video you'll see it on. So I'll get back with you guys once he get here. All right, guys, so he just pulled up. Let me show you guys his van. So if you guys ever need some window service done, you can get him a call. This is van right here. There go the phone number right there. So they go put the windshield in, and he also just told me they do crack, like free crack, not crack, free chip repairs. So you get a chip in your window, after they done, they come back and repair for free. So that's nice to know right here. I don't even know another glass company that does that. So make sure you guys take this number down. So we're about to get this glass taken out right here, get it replaced. So here's the new glass right here, getting it all cleaned up. So like I said, guys, definitely give him a call if you guys need a replacement or anything like that. He go everywhere, so he's not just in Mesa. So wherever you guys need, Mesa, Phoenix, Scottsdale, AJ, wherever, he coming out there. So give him a call. All right, so once he start taking the glass out the car, I turn this thing back on. three sides. So basically, you just got all the just got all the stuff around it with that thing he had. That's pretty cool. Oh, that go the thing right there. That's how you get the bottom out, I guess. So basically, you got the adhesive off first with that little tool he had. Nice. Easy peasy. All right, she out. Voila. There you have it. And then, like I said, here go the other windshield right here where we get replaced with. So. That's crazy, huh, guys? For those who never seen the windshield taken out before. Definitely not my first time, but all right, guys. So now all I gotta do is just replace this, put this window in there, and then put some adhesive on it all the way around it, let it dry, put some tape on it, and be done. So So basically just got to clean up all the old adhesive stuff on there. So what are you doing now? Alright guys, so you just finna do the other side just like he did that side. And when he get ready to put that window in, I turn this thing back on. Alright guys, that tooth that he actually had was separating the glue from the window. That's what it was doing. And once he did that, he used the knife to cut the glue off. So, and now he cleaned it all up, got it all smoothed out. And everybody know what that tape is for. I know y'all see the cars riding around with the tape on it. So after this windshield, this car be ready to go, guys. Like I said, everything else works, so. You already know. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think, man. Now you putting some more glue back on there. All right, so you already know if it do the same thing to the other side that he did to the other side. Once you get the window picked up, I turn this thing back on. All right, y'all already know. About to get ready and put the window in. Cool. All right, guys, and there you have it, man. Just that simple. It took them about 30 minutes to get this done. So, like I said, if you guys need a windshield, man, definitely give him a call. Once he closes his doors up, I turn this thing back on his van, so give you numbers again. But that's 60. I can 602 602 334 1964. So that's the number right there, guys. So definitely give him a call, man. Turn this around. Excellent job. So So all he gotta do now is just put the pieces back on, and that's it. So, hi guys, thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.